morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm getting a little bit of an earlier start again today. Yes, I didn't get much sleep, to be honest. I see a nap in my future. We'll see. Last night, I did pulled turkey sandwiches with French fries. Used leftover turkey that we had frozen from Thanksgiving. Used the sauce that I use in my sloppy joes. It was good. It was really good. I put it on brioche style bread. Yummy. I'm not sure how to get this recipe to you, but I'm going to work on that. Okay? You might just end up with my sloppy joe recipe. We'll see. Tonight, I'm going to prepare Creamy Cajun Steak Alfredo. Trying to get that glare out of there. There we go. Yes. This super simple meal. It's basically a steak with a Alfredo and pasta, but with a Cajun kick. Let's get to it. Got the good old saute pan out and a Dutch oven for the pasta. Obviously, the steak and the Alfredo will be done here in the saute pan. I've got one last elk steak left. This is it. Still have some hamburger, but this is it for the steaks. So a little bit of olive oil, my Cajun blend. This bottle is obviously, or jar, is obviously before I started producing herb and spice blends for the masses. So this does not have the fancy dancy label that a lot of people like. So we got the Cajun blend, kosher salt, black pepper for the steak. For the Alfredo, obviously heavy cream, butter, garlic, grated parm, very typical Alfredo, and it's going to have a little bit of Cajun, just to give it a kick. You could use any pasta that you like. I have about 6 ounces of this cannellini pasta, which I'll be using tonight. Should be fun. So there's the goodies for tonight's dinner. I have to thank Recipe Keeper, the new app that I'm using, both on my phone and on my computer, with this meal. And I'm only saying that because, yes, I know how to half a recipe, but with just a few simple clicks of a mouse, I was able to take this from a full 2-person, 3-person meal down to a 1-person meal. That's just one of the little fun goodies part of Recipe Keeper. Again, I paid for my version. It's a great tool. I love Recipe Keeper. I can do so much with it. It helps me find. I didn't do my menu yesterday. I think Robin, when I was talking to her last night, she's like, "You didn't do your menu?" So then either today or tomorrow, I'll put my menu together for next week. But it just makes it so much easier. Going from recipe to planning to grocery list. Yeah. And everything's customizable. Pretty cool. All right. So on this Thursday, and by the way, here in Northern California, we've got rain coming for several days. That's according to Bob Harlan in Channel 3. I wake up every morning to Bob Harlan's weather report. All right, so on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.